towel look dirty. This is so unacceptable.
We expected better service. We're here to relax, not to deal with problems.
I'm so sorry to hear about this, ma'am. I understand how uncomfortable that must have been. Please let me get our front desk manager to assist you. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. I don't want any excuses. I just want a clean and comfortable room.
I understand, ma'am. Your comfort is our priority. Let's make this right. Hello, housekeeping department. Please inspect the guest room immediately.
Yes, ma'am. I'll check the room immediately and ensure that it meets our standard. Alright, ma'am.
Good morning, sir.
Oh, good morning. Go to room 101, check the room, and take all unnecessary things and clean it properly, alright?
Okay, sir. I replace linen and towel right away.
Okay, go.
So, what's the update to our room?
We will move you to a complimentary upgraded room as an apology. Our bellboy will assist you to your new room.
Good morning, ma'am. I'll assist in moving your luggage if you prepared a new room, ma'am.
I'd appreciate that. I don't want to stay in the same room.
Good morning, ma'am. This is your complimentary food. Please enjoy.
Thank you.
Enjoy, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am. This is your dinner for tonight.
Thank you. Good afternoon. Thank you for bringing this to our attention. On behalf of the hotel, we apologize. We value your feedback and will use this to improve our services. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Come again.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.